Okay everyone, let's go and see what we are going to try to create today. The thing we are going to create today is some kind of nice, I think. It's great to see. You see, its effect is good. Okay, let's see how we create it. We have a picture of London here, London, and we have a picture of London here too. I don't know if you see it or not. We have a picture here too. But the most important thing is that this is smooth option and how we create this. Okay, let's go. At first, we just need a text, need a new slide, and we need to write a text here. Insert a text. London. I make the background black. You can change it if you want. I think I write it right. I don't see. Okay, I miss an N. London. And change the font to impact. Make it increase in size. Oh, sorry, I mislead something. That's good. And let's make it bold. Bold means with no error. I said something wrong again. Okay, let me put it in the middle, align center, align middle. Now, I'm just simply going to copy this slide. I'm going to break it into two pieces. How? I'm going to create a one and then select all and say fragment. Now, when I delete this, delete this, I can select both of them and say the transition to union and do this work for them too. Now we have our two shapes. Let's see it. You see, but we have a little distance in between them that I want to fix it. I select all and go to shape format and set the align to none. Now we don't have anything here that is not like us, and after that we just need to copy the picture. We need to increase the picture in size. Increase the picture in size. When you are increasing the picture in size, press shift to the picture increase in size in the best way possible. Okay. What we need to do, we need to align them both in center. We go to shape format, align them center. It's become some kind of nice, I like it. Let me just use it another time. I will use it, but not just for now. And let me align it center. Okay, align center. Then align this picture center too. Now we need to create the effect. Let me just copy this picture. I put it up, put it down, and align it center, middle, and then make them to work like this. Now I copy that picture and paste it here. I'm going to use crop to crop it to 0 here. And I'm going to send it back. Send this to back. And now I'm going to copy this slide here and I'm going to shape format it and align everything in middle. Then I'm just going to do some color up. I think I'm going to color it pure white in black, and here to pure white. The contrast is make your slide beautiful. You always must remember that. Now set the transition to morph. Now let's see how it's look like. It's nice effect, and you can also do this effect the way you like. Okay, this is the end of this template. We create an amazing slide. You can like and subscribe. If you watch until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until the next lesson, we are going to create another things. Don't forget to ask me any question if you have in comments. Have a good day.